Alright, welcome back to the channel. So for our video today, we're playing 1v1 v1v1. So apat kami. Yeah, new to the channel. Si Ken, si Jong, si Doy. So we're playing stroke play and putting Olympics. Kanan lang.
Ganda. Over.
Alright, so for today's video, we're playing stroke play and putting Olympics. So first time on the channel si Ken Maracoso. So small world. We used to play basketball together when we were high school, pero against each other. So ngayon, we're playing golf. So currently, I'm an 8 handicap. Tapos si Doy is still 13. Si Jong is 16 ka, Jong, ano? 16? Tapos si Ken is playing a 25 handicap. So that is our score now, no? So lahat kami we're playing our handicap. So I'm currently 8 under. Jong is currently 16 under. Si Doy is at ano si Doy? 13. Then si Ken is 25. Then we're just playing putting Olympics. It's going to be 10 pesos per hole. And so thank you very much for watching. See you at the fairways. Nice shot. Okay, everyone's still outside except for Ken. So patong si Ken. Doy in the outside. Tapos ako, I'm in the bunker. Kaliwa, ano? Ken for 4 points. Uy! Good par, brother. Okay, Ken is in for par. Okay, I have this putt for 3 points. Plus 1 if ever for sandy par. Kaliwa, no? Mahina pa rin. Sayang. Okay, Doy for par and 2 points. Uy! That's good, brother. 1 point. Oh, yeah, so 1 point si Jong. Good putt, brother. So par lahat. Bogey ako. Bogey. Si Ken par. Okay.
Ayan na naman.
Okay, hole 11. So Doy is now 12 under. I am 7 under. Oops. Ayun, safe.
Ako nakabig din.
Okay, second shot. Buti na landed sa GOR. Left with 175 yards. Hitting 7 iron.
Tama ng liko. Kick right.
Okay, not sure if I'm in the bunker. Pero yan, parang gilid ng bunker. Okay, Jong and Doy, second shot. Jong around 150 yards. Hindi ko nakita. Actually, simula nung bumagyo, hindi pa nakaka-recover.
Oy, ganda.
Nice shot. Ken, around 70 yards to the flag. This is his to go. Bite. 4 points. Hey, Jong. Ay, ang ganda! Shot, Jong. Okay, I have this up and down for par. Left to right. No way of nipping it.
Naku, sa fringe bumagsak. Tama na.
Ken, 4 bogey. 4 points. Ako 3 points. Si Doy, 2 plus 1. Si Jong, 1 and par. Lakas! Lakas! Tama na, tama na. Tama na. Pang SEA Games yung bola mo ah.
Bakit yung Christmas ball nyo dinala nyo rito?
Okay na, that's good, that's good.
Ang lakas naman.
Uy, nahihirap.
Ball. Okay, Jong for par. Naku, na ano oh. No points. Alright, what a terrible start. Napitik ang aking putt. So currently I'm 8. I am 5 under na lang. So hole number 12, it's playing 140 yards. Hindi, bogey. So 1 point pa lang din si Jong.
Nagpa-farm siya doon sa Davao.
Nice shot.
Nice shot, sir.
Wow. Maliwa.
Talaga kumakain.
Nice shot. Yun na lang ginagawa niya. All in one mo na! All in one! Morning! Ah.
Ang lutong.
Everyone is potting for birdie. So Doy, this is for 4 points plus 1. Jong 3 plus 1. Si Ken 2, tas ako 1.
Papalo tayo. Papalo tayo. Nakapwesto eh.
Pwede.
Sir, papalo tayo. Nakapwesto. Baka magbakasyon tayo.
Teach me! Yan, tuturuan ako. Yay, thank you! Uy, ano ka? Kinuha nga kita sa Viva Max.
Nice, oy!
Uy!
Narinig ko na naman yung Viva Max.
Uy! 3 putt. Uy, kabig. Lumaylay naman pa kabila.
Kulang sa firm.
Good putt, good par. Thank you. Okay, hole number 13. Only Jong has a point sa Olympics. Then, ganda, Jong. Nice shot. Good shot, brother. Kaliwa lang. Oops.
Balik mo sa fairway.
Okay, second shot. Pulled my tee shot. So laying up lang with a 5 iron.
Draw.
Go up and down for potentially a birdie. 100 yards. Left to right, hitting a 60-degree wedge.
Mr. Malyari, 3 points. Nice shot.
Thank you. Nice shot. Mali na tono mo, Weng ah.
Pausi.
Lumalabas na yung Adam's apple mo. Okay, Ken. Around 110 yards for his fourth shot. Ayun, bumalik. Ay, bumunker. Okay, Ken. Just in the bunker. Around 20. Bites, bite, 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 bite. Pumatong pa. 4 points. Sana lumabas. Okay, so most likely Ken is 4 points. Sino mas malayo sa atin, Dong? Ah, parang ikaw. Pating ano ka, Doy? Birdie? Okay, pares kami ni Doy, pating birdie. Ikaw rin, Jong? Okay. Kaming tatlo pating birdie. So, chance for for additional point. Sa loob niyan. Naku, hinakin. Baba! Baba! Ah, malakas pala. Mabilis pala. Sorry, akala ko mabagal. Ikaw. Okay, Doy for birdie and 3 points. Kuha. That's good, brother. Lakas tumapad ako bigla. Naku po.
Ayan na.
Sabi sa'yo, mas malakas eh. Ayaw mo makinig.
Sayang.
Double. Ay, sobrang lakas lang. That's good, brother. That's good. Alright, hole number 14. So for putting Olympics, no one made any points there. Then kami ni Jong and Doy all made par. Turn. Ganda. Perfect draw. Nice shot, brother.
Nice, Jong! Yan ang palo.
Nice shot. Wow, ganda.
Okay, finally, middle of the fairway. Course management lang with a 6 iron. Okay, landed 3 line left. Diyan. Okay, third shot. Left with 85 yards to the flag. Kung maalala ko, left to right to. Okay, right to left.
Sir, pag dito pumasok, change ka, change player.
Change golf course na lang. Okay, Ken, just outside. Potentially for 5 points. Thank you, brother. Pating ano kayo? Birdie? Bite. Okay, Doy. Potentially for 5 points. To go up and down for par pa ba to? Pinakamalayo pa rin. Okay. Ken for 4 points with his golden ball. Go! Turuan mo ako. Pantay na pantay pa. Ayan na! Ay, Doy. For 2 points. Oh, wala namang complication. Double? Okay, I have this for birdie. Left to right na, Weng? Left inside?
Dito ka daanin ha.
Yes, boss. Okay, 2 points.
Nice birdie.
Okay, Ken for double. Uy! That's good, Ken. Okay, hole 15. Olympics, 4 points na si Jong. 2 ako. None pa for Ken and Doy. Tapos currently, I'm back to 6 under. Ganda. Nice shot. Okay lang. Okay lang yan. For my second shot, going for it. 190 yards. Blue ba? White. White. Okay, hitting 5 iron.
Kick right. Lakas.
Okay, Ken and I and also lahat pala nasa labas pa. Pasok. Nakol ah. Lakas din. Olympian din.
Bilis.
Chipinski, come on, Chipin. Shoot. Good. Thank you.
1 point.
Wala pa pala. Doy, potentially for 5 points. Okay, 2 points pa ako. Pamark na lang, Doy, kung anong points ka. Basta ako at least 2. Hit it inside as do. Hindi, pag sinut pa pala ni Jong to. Jong, wag mo lang i-shoot, brother. Hindi, parang tinitingnan lang natin kung sino yung mas malayo pa for the points. Pero automatic 2 na ako at least. Lakas.
Yan na naman.
Ang lakas. Oh yeah, so automatic 2 na ako dito. 1 o 4 ka, tas 3 si Jong. Okay, Ken. 4 points. Tinakot mo masyado, Rose eh. Okay na yan, brother. That's good, that's good. Regular mo. Ooh. That's good, that's good. Okay, hole number 16. Playing 98 yards. This is Doy's tee shot. Olympian! Si Mr. Raimundo!
Para ko doon, di ba na...
Draw. Sige pa. Draw some more. Patong yan. Ay, sobra. Ken to go up and down for bogey around 30 yards. Bite. Meron ko pa bang higher lofted? Wala pa.
60. Pero pang bunker ko naman. Ayoko pang i-confuse yung sarili ko.
Oo. To avoid. Ayan, avoid yung sumusobra ka. Okay, so for Olympics, Ken is putting for 4 points. And I think for bogey, ako am putting for 3 points. And potentially po plus 1 for bird. Sino 2 sa inyo, Jong? Sino 2 sa inyo? 2. Tapos 1 si Doy. Nakuha 4 points. Uy. Ay, natakot. Okay, Jong 4 par and 2 points. Ay, laylay. Okay na yan, Jong? Okay, so hole number 17, playing 181 yards. So Olympics, 4 points tayo parehas. Si Doy, 2. Okay, si Ken none yet. Naku, kanan. Okay lang, safe. Nag-draw. Ay, kaliwa. 180, brother.
180.
Oh, playing 180.
Balik.
Hey.
Di nag-cut.
Impact tayo. Pabalik na siya eh.
Impact to.
Pero okay lang doon.
Uy, kumaliwag din.
Lagi tayo. Pareho tayo, Ken.
Ayun, kita.
Okay, left to right. 30 yards. Ano bigay mo? Diretso lang? Papaisip ako, papabaitin ko. Ay, Kenin! Okay, Mr. Reyes, the Olympian, for potentially 5 points and for his par. Okay, 1 point. That's good, brother. Okay, for Olympics, I'm putting for 3 points. Si Ken for... Ako pala 4. Sorry, 4 points pala ako. Si Ken for 3. Si Doy 2. Si Jong in for 1 point na. And bogey, no, brother? Ganda! Ooh!
Nagyari for 4 points.
Wow. Nice spot.
Thank you.
Gising na siya.
Wang.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. And 4 points. kuha din. Ay. Okay na yan. Good putt. Okay, so for Olympic update, I am now at 8 points. Jong is at 5. Doi is at 2. Ken none yet. So hole 18, 380 forced layup. Currently, I'm still 6 under. Hindi ko nakita. After getting married, Makati. Pero nice shot, Ken. Good shot, brother.
Sarap ng taho ah. Ang crispy ng tunog.
Left with 230 to the flag. Playing it short.
Ang gagamitin niyo dyan?
Hybrid. Naku, huwag ka mag-bunker, please. Magdasal ni Rose eh. Okay, hopefully hindi umabot. Pero pinagdadasal ni Rose, bunker daw ako eh. Sabay tago. Ganda, Ken. Okay lang.
Bunker. Hindi, behind naman yan. Before?
Okay, so for my third shot to go up and down for potentially par, left to right, I think pwede na inip to. So uphill. Uy, nabola!
Hit the pin.
Oh, buti lang tumama. Nabola. Lang tumama sa pin. Nachamban. Nachambalero pa.
Swerte.
Ucha, buti na lang. Ang ganda naman ng bite. Ito na, chance for 4 points, Doy.
Doy, oh, makeable.
Ako 2, si Ken 1.
Good na yan, Ken.
Oh, okay, good putt. 3 points. So, 8 ka na rin. Tied tayo. Okay, Doy, to go 6 points. He is currently at 2. Nice putt. Okay, 4, 6. So, 8, 8, 8, 8, 6, 1. Pag na-shoot ko to, 10, 8, 6, 1.
Pwede ka subukan. Oo naman. Yung putt. Hindi, okay na.
So playing hole number 1 sa start of our second 9. Lahat tayo isa na lang ano? One muli na lang lahat? One muli na lang lahat?
Ako din.
Draw. Sige pa. Good draw. Good shot, brother. Ganda.
Nice shot.
Beautiful. Huwag ka lang umabas sa bangko.
What?
Sa pool, yung nagka-kart siya. Sakto siya.
Asya. Year din. Parang kaumpisa ka na pero ang ganda ng palo din. Sabi ka lang.
Shout out ulit sa aming mga idol. Yan. Ang ating starter dito sa Navy.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Okay, so for update lang sa Olympics. I'm currently at 10 points. Jong is at 8. Doi is at 6. Tapos Ken is at 1. Okay. Okay, hole for my second shot. Since super basa ang conditions, I won't try to go for it. Try to play smart. Hopefully, this is a good decision. 7 iron. Third shot, 90 yards. Diyan sa puno na sa left na yan. Hitting a 60-degree wedge. Ay, kabig! Sobrang pull. Ball above my feet pala. Pero hindi ko na masyadong na landed there. That maling puno. And potentially 5 points. Bite. Doi. Potentially for 5 points. Pating ano kayo? Chipping birdie? Dong? Okay. So, ako for 4 points and birdie. Parang pantay na naman kayo. 3 si Ken. Hindi ko pa alam kung si Doy or si Jong ang 1 and 2. 14 paces. Ano yung kaliwa? Kanan yan?
Kaliwa oh. Ay,
Ay! Okay, at least parang may naka dyan. Basta yan na tayo, Jong.
Malaka lang ng konti allowance ko, sayang.
Tayo na ako dyan. Okay, Ken. For 3 points. I'm already in for par. Ganda na speed, brother. Ay, mabilis pa pala. Okay, Mr. Raimundo for 2 points and for par.
Good putt.
Pasok pa rin, 1 point. So, 10, 9.
1 point.
Na-push? Alright, hole number 2. Still currently 6 under. Ganda. Beautiful. Nice shot.
Yun, tumalbog.
Ganda. 3 line lang pero huwag ka lang mas timing.
Good bounce mo naman yan.
Kick right. Okay lang.
Nice.
Okay, good cut.
Good, good.
Behind pa yun.
Sa Pusatas ba yung reception? Okay. Hindi, sa east.
Naku, sabi ko na. Nasa Navy lang. Okay, second shot. Left with 180 yards. Hitting a 6 iron. Uy! Linang. Ang laki ng pinabik. What a very terrible second shot. This tree is in play, so I might have to try a flop shot, which is 40 yards to the flag, left to right. Bahala na. Ay, hina!
Ang kapal ng damo eh. Yeah.
Yun! Yun, nagtiwala. Naku, sarap din. Sa fringe. Okay, Doy, potentially for 5 points. Yan, maganda. Kulang lang sa kanan. Okay, so for Olympics, Ken is putting for 4 points and double bogey. Ako yung putting for bogey. Si Jong is putting for par and 2 points. Si Doy is putting for 1 and bogey. Parang mahina. Uy, sayang! Good putt. Wala mo shoot to for 3 points and bogey. Okay, Weng. Firm lang ano? 4 paces na firm.
Yun, ganda.
3 points!
Mr. Malyari, 3 points.
Good read.
Thank you.
Hindi, ginagawa na play short parati. So for example, 100 yards. They choose club lower. Para chance 4 points parati.
Nice, Doy.
Uy! Good bogey. Okay, hole number 3. Playing 190 yards. Currently, I am now at 5 under. So sa previous hole, Doy made double, Ken made triple, Jong made bogey. Right side. Will Kids ang ipapainom ko sa'yo.
Ayun na. Go!
Kick right. Huwag ka mag-bunker. Ayun, okay, short.
Uy, kumalan.
Hindi nag-throw at all. Open pa. Okay, Jong. Around 48 yards to the flag. Go! Saktong-sakto ha. Kinabahan ako para sa'yo eh. Okay, I have this second shot 50 yards to the flag. Tirang mga 40, 30. Left to right ba yun, Wait?
Opo.
Kapal!
Uy.
Okay. Hina ng tira ka. 22 yards left to right. Ang pangit ng binagsakan. For Olympics, Doy is batting for 5 points. Ken is for 3. Pasok! Uy! Okay na yun, Ken? Paborito mo talaga yung spot na yan. No? Paborito mo tong pot dyan. That's good. 1 point. Ako for 4. I need to make this to avoid a double bogey. Fighting for... Struggling ako dito sa front 9 parate. Ah! Jump for 2 points. Pasok. Ganda ng potting ah. Good putt. 13, 11? 11 ka na, no? Oh, 11. Okay, pa fringe dapat. Okay, so 5 over total. So 3 under na lang ako. So hole number 4. Sa aming potting Olympics, I'm still leading 13. Followed by Jong with 11. Doy with 7. Ken with 1. Ganda, Ken. Buti nilang nag-turn. Gitna.
Nice shot.
Nice shot.
Nice shot. Kaliwa.
Sige pa.
Kitang-kita.
Sige, parang hindi ka mistake eh. Yun.
Baka kulang. Nice shot.
Nice shot. Nice shot.
Ay, ngayon, ma-zoom na lang.
Zino-zoom ko na lang. Okay, 60 yards. Okay, come on. Bawi sa double bogey. Tirang 50. Bite! Bite! Ang lakas! Bite! Okay na rin. Okay. Ang ganda ng tira ni Jong. Oh. He might be in for birdie na. So automatic 2 points. Tayo na kami. Sobra lang. Wala talaga, wala kang pipigilan dyan.
Downhill.
Wala ka talaga pipigilan. Pero definitely, ay yung mga kasama mo, madalas mga taga PNG din yun.
Oo.
Wow! 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 For birdie ba yan? For par? Ken, for par. And 3 points. Nahina yata. Ang laki ng bali ah.
Shoot mo.
Ay!
Ayaw ka konti.
Jong for birdie. And 1 point. For the tie! Good birdie. Okay, 13 pa. Tie 13. 13, 6, 5th hole. Olympics 13. Ganda, Doy! Doy! 1 time! Naku! Sobra ba? Pero pin high. I mean, around the ano lang yun, the pin. Yeah. Ganda, Ken.
Ganda.
1 time, baby.
One time, all in one.
Kanan, nag-fade, nag-cut sa dulo. Nag-bleed.
Umabot naman.
Oo, patok.
Chance nga. Dala ko.
Okay, Jong. Yung itim, just outside the green, around 50 yards siguro. Bite. 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 Okay, Doy. Sumobra nga yung tee shot sa bunker. So around 30 yards. Ganda ng out na yan, brother. Good out. Additional 1 point. Jong just outside of the green to go up and down for bogey. Potentially 5 points. Hit it inside me. Hit it inside me. Okay, Ken for 4 points and birdie. So potentially 5 points. Tapos si Jong 3 points and bogey. Si Doy par. 2 points plus 1 for Sandy par. Ako 1 point and birdie. Pasok mo na! Ay, tumatalon.
Bring it.
Uy, that's good, that's good. Okay, I have this putt for birdie. Oh, okay na yun, brother. Birdie and additional 1 point. So for 2 points total.
Nice. 15.
Okay, hole number 6. 343 yards. Then for Olympics.
Iba yung gulong ng path mo eh.
Diba? Off the face iba eh. So currently I am ilang over na ba ako? 4? If I'm not mistaken, 4 over. So I'm 4 under sa Amingat. Then Olympics I'm 15. Jong, ano ka 13 ano? 13. Tama pares tayo ay, tama. 15, 13. Doy 6 pa rin.
7.
Sorry, 7. Tapos si Ken 1.
Number 1. Ay, 4!
Sabit.
Ay, sumabit. Sumama. Jong, second shot. Open. Alright.
Right!
Yan ang first.
Need to take my medicine. Mga palong 80? Okay, play safe lang.
Tama niyo dito na.
Gusto mo?
Wow.
Ulam?
Kawawa.
Okay, third shot to go up and down for par. 60 yards.
Malambot.
So tirang 50. Hindi ako magninip. Right yan. Ganda yan. Oh, ay short! Okay na pala. Okay na pala. Okay.
Uy.
Buti yung bago natin
Low
pick.
battery.
20%. Okay. I have that par for par. Again, for 5 points. Naku, ang hina. Na baby. Okay, Mr. Raimundo. 4 points and bogey. Ooh, lakas. Okay, I have this par putt. 5 paces. Ano bigay mo, right to left? Why na? Left inside, firm. Take your time, stroke play. Right to left. Park.
Nilikaw mo ko doon yun. Ano binigay mo yun?
Ewan ko si Sir naglinya eh.
Again, for 1 point. Ayaw talaga. Generous talaga to for Christmas ah. Okay, for 2 points naman si Jong.
Ayaw yung...
Ooh.
Ano ba yun?
Okay, hole number 7. No movement sa Olympics. Tawid mo please! Sasabit. Okay lang, maganda. Good draw. Perfect. Pero... Okay lang. Slightly scoopy lang.
Wow!
They left with 145 yards. This tree is in play. Pero we will go for the hero shot, sabi ni Weng. 140 yards. Umangat naman.
Kapal.
Uy.
Lagpas ng bunker.
Okay, Ken, just off the green. Kaliwa lang. Balik mo lang.
Kaya nga, babalik pa, dadaanin mo sa group.
Oh, same din. Okay, left with 28 yards. Left to right. Okay. Go up and down for par. Uhina. Ay, tigang.
Ayan, good.
Ganyan kalaki.
Okay, Jong for 3 points. And ano kay par? For birdie.
Bobby, tumigil ka nga!
Buti na lang par. Okay, Ken, batting for his 2 points. May... Yun! Ay! Yun! Wala pa din. Pero okay na yun. Ito sa Oli. 17 minus 10. Oh, number 10. Okay, nanggugulo na lang si Day. Nako.
Tatlong pasok.
Yun, ay kanan
3
lang.
pumps.
Oo. Okay, kanan lang. Anan mo yun? Ay, behind lang naman.
Nice shot. Practice lang ako. Sige.
Bunker.
Okay. To go up and down for 20. From 20 yards, up and down for par. Over lang. Okay, sa ako naman mga around 10 yards, no green to work with. Very difficult bunker shot. Okay, Jong for par. Palakas. Sino ang 3 points? Ikaw, Ken, 3. 2 ako, 1 ka. Okay. So Ken has the spot for his par. And 3 points. Okay, I need to make this putt para makahabol sa kanila. Currently 2 over. Isang green?
Mabilis ang green.
Ah, mabilis. Kala isang green. Ano isang green? 6 spaces. Ano? Ay, kulang. Hina. 3 points sana, no? Doy. For bogey ba to? So I'm currently 1 under na lang. Uy. Okay na yun, Doy? Okay. Ken for bogey. Uy!
Maliwa ka talaga.
Double. Okay. Jong
Pero alam mo, yung
for
first
bogey.
mo pa ito sa akin.
Talaga. Ganun talaga. What a clutch putt! Naks naman yung straight face. Ayaw. Walang ngiti-ngiti. Okay. Lamang si Jong. Jong is now 3 under. Tied kami ni Ken at 1 under. Tama? Come on, Luigi. Kaya ba to? Naku, pumasok. Pumasok sa kaliwa yung kay Jong. Inside, nandito. Kaliwa. Tempo down, baby! Woo!
Ganda. Pawala na.
Cut! 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 Cut mo pa! Okay lang yan? Okay. Jong, unfortunately, nasa left. Pareha sa ni Ken. Hopefully, I'll be in the fairway.
Go!
Lang, please.
Pusis ka naman.
Batok! Okay, Jong. This is his third shot. Galing, clutch! Good shot, Jong. Good shot. Grabe yun. I almost choked. Muntik pa ako matubig. Buti lang safe. Okay. Hopefully, I can get this up and down. Medyo malayo lang ang third shot. But, lamang ako ng, as of now, lamang ako ng 1 stroke. I'm playing my third shot. Si Jong is playing his 4th already. So, let's see. Very lucky. Second shot, buti na lang umabot. So, I'm left with 159 yards to the flag. Uphill, downwind, hitting an 8 iron. Down! Down! Okay, my third shot might be a little long. Hopefully, nasa green. So, this is Jong's third shot. Ay, 4th pala. Okay, right in front of the green. Just an update. This is Jong to go up and down for bogey. Tama, Jong? Up and down for bogey, no? Okay. Ken, ikaw up and down for par? Bogey? Bogey rin. For par? Okay.
4th shot.
4th. Okay.
Ikaw rin, di ba? For birdie to?
Ito for bird. For putting for birdie. Okay, magandang laban ng tatlo. Ako putting birdie dito. Laki na ng tinalbog. And it carried here. Tapos gumulong dun. Kaya downwind din kasi. Pero okay na din. Jong. This is to go up and down for his bogey. If he hits this close, I need to make the birdie putt. Okay, that is for his bogey. Okay, Ken, this is birdie putt from the outside. So potentially this is also 5 points. Ganda. Okay, for 1 point yan, Ken. Ako for... Ano? Oo, nandito pa ako. 11 paces pa ako eh. Okay, Jong, this is his bogey putt for 3 points. Okay. Two putt ako to tie. You need to make it to tie. Good try, Jong. This is for the win. Teka.
2 putts ka.
Tutay.
Tutay kay Joe.
Ito tutay din to.
Tie, siya ako two putt to tie. This is to win.
Even.
Laki.
Ay! Okay, tie.
Tama lang. Okay lang, tayo lang.
Wala na tayo na rin, ano?
Hindi,
Ano sa pala ng bigay ko? Sorry.
Ano yun?
Sasama sa'yo ito eh.
Okay. Ayaw niya pumapasok sa butas eh.
Nakakuha din, last hole to 8.
May par din.
8. Okay, Ken has this putt. 2 para triple tie kami. So to avoid paying 100 pesos. Bumuka! Oh, bibayaran isa lang si Ken magbabayad sa akin, si Doy bayad sa iyo. So 100 lang, hindi 300. Hindi ako wala tayong bayaran sa isa't isa. Brother? Brother, sa ulitin?
Thanks for adopting me.
Doy?